Hi there, this is Gurpreet Kaur here. So today I'm going to talk about my final year master's project. So before starting with the project discussion, I would like to talk about my background and my current course. So I've done my bachelor's in electronics engineering, in which I got some of the subjects with the software field, related to the software field, and some of the coding stuff. At that time I really wanted to work with the software development life cycle, like with the coding and everything. That's why I've chosen my master's in software engineering. So in my master's I've completed with my 3 semesters, and in my first semester I'm lucky to get an opportunity that I can work on a real-time project. So I've learned whatever I learned in the 3 semesters, like my theoretical knowledge, I can apply now in practically on practical stuff. So basically this project for a company which is based on Sydney, the Green Garden Landscape Services. We're building an online portal for its customers to access the company services and to shop online, so that they can have an amazing experience while accessing its services, and then they can get an instant quotes on the works or the services what the company offers. So we have divided the whole project into 3 sprints because we are following the agile methodology. So we started with sprint 1 on 27th of April, and we're working in a team of 4 members, including me, Harika, Ashwarya, and Syed Gilani. So we got 2 members from the software and 2 from the business analyst. So for the sprint 1, we finished up with the home page, navigation bar with the beautiful landscaping pictures, company's address, linked pages, code form and the contact form, sign in, sign up, and everything. And all these functionalities are functional, they're working fine. And regarding to my part, so I've created a quote form in which the user can fill up his personal information and the services whatever he's going to inquire or require from the company. And when the user hits the submit button, all of the data goes to the company's database, and from there I generated an email which will go to the customer's email ID. In the email ID I have produced a PDF file. In the PDF, suppose the customer is inquiring about the construction retaining wall services, then in the PDF it will include the types of the retaining walls and the respective prices, so the customer get an idea about the services what he's going to access from the company. Then I have created a contact form in which the customers fill up his information, and the data goes to the database. And in the next sprint I'm going to try to send a notification email to the supervisor so that he'll get to know whenever a new customers try to contact the company. Then I worked on the UI design of the linked pages, of the services linked pages as well. For the forms I've used the HTML for the web page creation, and then for the styling element I've used CSS, and then at the backend I've used the XAMPP server, and for the connections I've used the PHP for the connection backend and the front end. And then if personally I've learned a lot of stuff from this sprint 1, I'm still learning from the project as I'm working in a team. So I feel like true collaboration is the integration of the multiple viewpoints, and I feel like if you're working in a team, we have to create a space of trust, like mutual trust. So for this I feel like active listening is very important. And as I'm working in a development team, so I feel like a good design can make or break a client. So we should focus on the design of the end product as well, so that like whatever the team is getting at the end, we should focus on the design of the product. And working with a team, it expand my perspective as well, because we have to actively listen each and every person's point of view. And if you're talking like what could have gone better, so I feel like as when we started this project, we just got a basic idea of the HTML, CS and PHP, so it took us like extra time and extra effort to learn about the deep concepts of these languages, because we are like at that time we are like just got the basic idea of this stuff. So it could have finished in like less time, whatever it took us to finish the first sprint. So that's all with the sprint 1. So I'll see you with the next video of my sprint 2. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you.